Hello folks, this question belongs to a different board. Actually it is Cambridge Pre-University. It is year 13 May June paper 1 and the question number is 6. It is concerned with the chapter dynamics, or we can say kinematics or whatever. So it says that a tennis ball of mass 56 gram is struck by a tennis racket. The graph shows how the force exerted on the ball by the racket varies over time. So as you can see, the force increases from 0 till a certain high value, and then decreases in the same manner. The rate of increase is equal to the rate of decrease. So what's the change in velocity of the tennis ball because of this type of striking by the racket? So what we have to first do is, let's find the maximum force here. The maximum force here will be somewhere here. So 800, 1200, so the middle should be 1000. So there are 5 divisions between 1000 and 1200, so it should be 40 each. So it should be 1040, 1080 and 1120. So this is 1120 Newton. So the mass given here is like this. So what we must have is the acceleration at this point. The maximum acceleration at this point should be equal to force by mass, that's equal to force is 1120 Newton and mass is 0.056. So when I do it in the calculator, so it is 1120 divided 0.056 equal to, yeah, so it's equal to equal to 20,000 meter per second square. So pretty large value of acceleration. This is 20,000 meter per second square. Now if I replace this force with acceleration, the graph now will be equal to from 0 to 20,000 and then again to 0. Now according to our relation A equal to dv dt, this gives us dv is equal to A into dt. So if we have a graph of acceleration versus time, change of time, then the area covered gives us the value of change of velocity. So now in this graph, the whole area covered will give us the value of change of velocity. So it should be equal to, the area is equal to 1 by 2 into the height. So the height is equal to the peak value here, which is 20,000 into the base. The base is 5 milliseconds. So it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 milliseconds. So it is equal to, this 10,000, this is 0.005, so it becomes 50 meter per second. So that's why the change of velocity should be equal to 50 meter per second. Now for a beginner there might be a slight confusion that when we have got area, why is this 50 meter per second? It is the area of the graph between acceleration and time. We change this force and acceleration here. So it's the area of the graph between acceleration and time. So acceleration is meter per second squared and time is second. So that's why obtaining meter per second is not an impossibility. So such values are obtained. So area of physical world and area of graph are different things. So that's why we can have meter per second as the measurement of area here. So the correct choice is choice number C.